Hi there, this is Paul Adams, AdamsMade. Next project is it's a kitchen table or a dining room table. It's a refurbish the top basically. It's a beautiful table, very solid, quite old, so all that's happened is the varnish has gone yellowed, and this particular one here, I'll show you a close-up so you can see better, but the varnish has gone completely in certain patches and it's gone quite yellow. So there's two sort of end pieces, and you'll see the middle section, which I'll show you quickly, which has been largely hidden. You can see how that's the colour it should be, so you can see that against the yellow. So all we've got to do, take it down, again trying to do it eco-friendly, so I'll sand it as opposed to using high vox strippers or whatever. So I'll just sand it down to the wood, back to the oak. I wasn't sure at first if it was beech or oak, but you can see the white grain, the deep fleck. It's definitely an oak, and it's really heavy. So all that's good, so we'll get on with it. Let's see how we go.
We drew the lines, but blurred the frame. Thought we were safe, but it's not the same. Your voice, it hits me, slow and low. Every little touch, I can't let go.